Find or read reviews that people are talking about LEFINIS wireless CarPlay adapter. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that CarPlay wireless adapter for iPhone. Convert your wired CarPlay system to wireless with this easy-to-use adapter and enjoy a hassle-free driving experience. Stay connected on the go with seamless wireless connectivity. No longer worry about disconnecting, enjoy uninterrupted access to your favorite applications and features. Take your in-car entertainment to the next level with full access to CarPlay's features, including Siri, navigation, music playback, and phone calls. Easy to install and use. Plug-and-play design is suitable for all motorists, with no need to download extra drivers or apps. After the initial setup, the adapter will automatically activate the CarPlay wireless connection each time the car starts, providing a hassle-free experience. With only 3 simple steps, you can finish the setup in minutes and start using CarPlay on your car. Say goodbye to complicated setups and hello to easy-to-use connectivity with our CarPlay wireless adapter. Highly compatible with iPhone and cars. Compatible with over 800 car models and works seamlessly with almost all car models that have factory CarPlay enabled, as well as most aftermarket versions. Upgrade your CarPlay to wireless for easy use with our wireless CarPlay adapter for iPhone. Supported iPhone models include iPhone 6 and above with iOS version 10 and above. Sleek and stylish design for pocket. Wireless CarPlay adapter not only offers functional benefits but also boasts a sleek and stylish design. Its compact size and lightweight design make it convenient to carry with you wherever you go. Also, it comes with a USB to USB-C adapter, which allows it to gain access to both USB and USB-C type car ports. The elegant and sophisticated look of the adapter is perfect for enhancing the aesthetics of your vehicle. If you want to get full highlight features and / full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.